He's not that good, but he wishes
Jeff
he was.
can do it too. I've seen you.
Yeah,
Jeff, you get on the long board a little bit and get around. It's pretty impressive.
My long board's about 8 feet long. Yeah, that's
makes it a little easier.
Yeah, a lot easier that way.
Well, it doesn't matter if you're skateboarding, riding a bike, a motorcycle. It's just gorgeous outside.
Yeah, it really is.
It is beautiful. That wasn't so much the case yesterday. It was kind of chilly. It felt more like fall out there. In fact, that's really been the case for September. Wait till you see some of these stats I'm about to show you. As far as the rain, though, I did want to get this out there to you in case you're wondering where we are officially so far for the month, because it does seem like we have been wetter than normal, definitely wetter than where we were for most of the summer, but we still have some ways to go. So for Portland, officially 0.2 of an inch so far this month, so we're still a little bit down for the month so far. Salem, no measurable precip at the airport there. I know we've had some showers in and around that area, but officially at the airport, nothing. And so we are definitely a little bit below average there. Eugene, we're at 1/4 of an inch. Astoria at 1.5 inches, so we are in a surplus there. And then for Redmond, we picked up just a little bit there, 1/100th of an inch, so still a little bit low for where we should be for this time of the year. So we've had some rain, but more than anything, we have had a big cool down. Take a look at the numbers here for Portland. So a very cool start to September. We have seen below average temperatures each day so far for this whole month. Sunday, we hit the coolest day that we have seen since May, when we topped out at only 60 degrees. So it was chilly yesterday, and our average high so far has been around 68.8, and our normal high for this time of the year in Portland is 79. So even today, when we've improved by 15 degrees, we're still below average here in Portland, but it's beautiful either way. I'll take it. Skies right now mainly clear. We have some high clouds that are streaming in. These can make for awesome sunsets, so get that light jacket on this evening and go take a look at it if you don't have any plans for the Labor Day evening. It looks like it's going to be a really nice one. We're in the mid-70s back out towards Skamania Lodge here. You can see a beautiful view of the Columbia River. Wine country, we're looking great here too. Gorgeous and feeling nice in the upper 70s, so warming things up pretty nicely there. And then for the coast, over in Lincoln City, a beautiful, beautiful day. We've seen a lot of sunshine with temperatures topping out in the mid-60s there. Out there right now, we're at 63 in Newport, 67 in Astoria, still mainly in the mid-70s up and down I-5. Central and Eastern Oregon has been gorgeous here too. Temperatures in the 70s and upper 60s back out towards Baker City. It will be a chilly evening ahead, though. Temperatures in the 70s now will quickly fall into the 60s. So by 7 o'clock, we're still hovering close to 70 degrees, but it's into the 60s quickly after that. And we'll see mainly clear skies tonight with temperatures eventually back down into the low to mid 50s. So another crisp start tomorrow morning. Low 50s for Vancouver. Hillsborough likely getting back down into the 40s tonight. Central and East, we're dipping down into the 30s and 40s, some spots in the 30s. Burns and Baker City, Bend down to 42, and then we'll be in the low 50s for coastal areas. Again, skies out there, just some high thin clouds moving in, no rain to talk about, and we're not going to be talking about rain anytime soon. We have two systems back to our north and west. Those are going to miss us to the north, so we'll see a few more clouds rolling in early tomorrow, but that's going to be the extent of it for us, and it should still be a really nice day. So tracking it for you as we go into tomorrow morning, you can see places like Seattle. It's going to be up into Washington that they'll have to watch out for some sprinkly light rain. For here, we'll see a mix of sun and clouds, and we stay very dry. Heading into Wednesday, by the middle of the week, we're looking at some cloud cover in the morning, and then that's going to move on out as the next system misses us to the north. So we're looking at a lot of sunshine to finish it, and then we go into Thursday, and that's when we start to see those temperatures really go up, and it could be downright hot by the time we wrap up this work week. Your coastal forecast tomorrow, low 70s for Astoria, some cloud cover in the morning, and then watching for some sunshine. Winds not too bad, coming in from the north-northwest at about 10 to 15. Mostly sunny skies along I-5, upper 70s for Kelso and Portland, and then down south towards McMinnville and Salem. We could actually see those temperatures get into the low to mid 80s tomorrow afternoon. Central and Eastern Oregon, temperatures in the 70s and 80s, many of us getting into the 80s. Light winds through the gorge tomorrow, great day for a hike. For the Cascades, mostly sunny skies, and that freezing level up to 12,000 feet. So we're warming things up in the higher elevations too. Here's your 7-day, knocking on 80 for the next couple of days. We hit the 80s Thursday, and then it's up near 90 by the time we wrap up the work week and go into the weekend. Summer tries to make a comeback.
Okay, so if you weren't following this, it was about a week and a half ago, Kristen started telling us all, you know, this is a fall fake out. And she starts looking ahead. She says, we could hit 90 degrees in about another week and a half. You were right on the button.
Okay, well, let's let it happen first. But yeah, it does look like it's going to.
Let's let it happen first. I trust you.
We should have placed a bet in Vegas or something.
Yeah. I know. Hey,
that was pretty good.
Next time, let's do it.
I'll take it. It's certainly nice.